First thing you want to do is brush your hair out, get a nice hair tie, flip your head over. You're going to gather a ponytail on top of your head. Okay, get it positioned right. And now what you're going to start doing is pulling this hair right here loose. Start pulling. Pull all the way around. Just loosen it from the ponytail. Now you want to keep the hair at the crown of your head centered, okay? So you're only wanting to pull the hair on the top layer, okay? So just keep pulling all the way around. I'm going to get it kind of poofy. Make sure you do the back too. Okay, now that once you get all of that done, make sure it's all good. And pull out enough so you can make a little part right there. That'll be good. Okay, now take some bobby pins. You're going to start pinning that hair tie to the top of your scalp so that it doesn't slide around. Okay, now that you have it pretty secure sitting up there, you're going to take your hair, and you're going to do a nautilus spin. Okay, so just twist it around. Don't do it tightly, do it loosely. Right there. Now you can, at this point, you can either take a hair stick and put it through there to hold it, or you can take more bobby pins and pin this in place like that. Okay? Just pin the living crap out of it. Okay, now you take more of your hair and just pull, get all of this loosened up. Make sure you hold on to your button when you do this. And just kind of fan it out. And voila, you have a beautiful hairstyle. Add this with some earrings and it'll look great. Or you can also take a bobby pin and take this section over here, the front section, take it and lay it over like that, and just pin it so you have a little bitty poofy guy up front. That's an easy 5-minute hairstyle. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.